Hello.
We're back again
In our taste test kitchen.
in our quest to taste all of the things.
And all of the vegan things.
All of the things. And this week we decided wings.
I feel like in the last year or so, so many places have actually been making, like so many brands have been making dedicated things that they're calling wings.
They're calling them wings.
Yeah. So, there's enough of them to do a taste test.
Yeah.
A solid group of taste testing.
We've got 7.
7, yeah.
That's good. Yeah,
That's a
that
solid
qualifies.
number.
So we're gonna move ahead with the video.
Yeah. Glad that we checked in this moment. So yeah, we're gonna do a taste test of things that people are selling as vegan wings. This is what they're saying. Yeah. That's the only thing that's cauliflower. The rest are wings.
Varying degrees of wings.
This is what they tell you will satisfy your chicken wing craving.
And we're gonna tell you if that's true.
Yeah. So, what are the ones that we're gonna taste today?
Okay, we have Wholly Veggie's buffalo cauliflower wings.
Wings. We specifically bought stuff
It
with
has
wings
to say
on
wings.
it, except
You
for
know,
one of them. But
there's lots of chicken tenders.
yes,
Chicken
a
strips,
ton of chicken tenders,
chicken
and strips.
nuggets. That's not what we're doing today.
No,
wings
we're doing
only.
wings.
Soul Cuisine. Oh, hot and spicy chicken.
Mm.
Gardein.
Another spicy, probably.
Chicken wings. Yeah. What did we get?
We got
Spicy
the
gochujang.
flavor.
Mm.
This is the only one that doesn't say wings, but
Drumstick is a type of wing.
vegan smoked drumsticks. So this is from King's Vegetarian. And we also got a second one from King's because I went shopping this morning and found something that they actually like advertise as wings.
Yeah.
And they're more like the flats.
So we have like the classic. You get like
The drumstick and the flat.
the wing and the flat.
Which like if they're both good, then you just pair them together and you kind of have that mix.
That would be so fun. I love that.
And then the one that I'm gonna anticipate is going last, being placed last. I actually haven't tried these. Devin has, and she's given me her review. But they're the buffalo wings from Field Roast. We'll talk more about them when we eat them.
If you know, you know.
And then finally was actually a more local brand. I found this at Coven in Hamilton. It's called The Better Vegan, and it's their chicken wings.
I don't even know what this looks like.
Yeah, I have no idea what they look like, but they're soy-free for those who don't eat soy or are allergic to soy. There's only 6 per pack. It's not a lot of wings, but they feel like they could be big.
I want to see what they look like.
I'm just reading the back and Devin's like, I need to see him.
You let me at them. Oh.
They look like tenders.
They do look very
But they look
tender.
really good, actually. The breading on the outside looks
it
really good.
Smells good. It smells like a restaurant.
Oh, yeah. I'm excited for these.
Whoa, okay, fun. You know what? Let's open them all.
We're going to look at what they all look like.
No, I didn't cut it right.
This is the, hold on, I forgot there's 2 bags. This is the vegan smoked drumstick from King's. They're so fun to me. I love the way they made these look.
I love them so much. Gardein, it's just flat.
It's like flats, or like, honestly, I think they look more like boneless chicken wings.
Yeah.
Those look like chicken
We tried
wings.
these recently
Yeah.
too in a grocery haul.
These are the chicken wings, these are from King's. They're actually labeled chicken wings. They look more like flats.
Yeah.
But they also kind of look like they tried to shape them a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm actually excited about these.
Me
I
too.
assume they're going to be just the same as these, just in a different shape. But I'm still excited.
Oh my gosh, this makes me so upset. Because these are like $10, aren't they?
Yeah, they're expensive.
I want you to look at this.
That looks like a chicken wing. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Yeah, it's definitely a chicken wing.
Well, we'll talk more about this when we taste test it, but that's the Field Roast. And honestly, anyone who knows what we're talking about knows what's coming.
Field Roast usually has some good products.
They have some really good products. Good
This
cheeses,
one, yeah.
good sausages,
This one is not it.
but they notably don't do chicken. And they still do somehow buffalo wings. Whoa,
Look
there's
how
so
little.
many.
They're mini. Yeah, this looks like,
Like little appies.
yeah.
It's like popcorn chicken.
I forgot it was cauliflower.
It's called restaurant style. What does that mean?
I don't know. What style is that? I don't know.
Ah! They look like little cauliflowers.
Little
They're so
cauliflowers.
cute. But they are very small. And I don't know what restaurant style means, but Wholly Veggie. All right, so we're gonna read how they recommend us make them because I think we should follow the box
Yes.
for the best taste test. Okay, so let's see if there's some similar things here. This one says we can do oven or air fryer. So that's oven or air fryer. Recommended for these is deep frying, which I don't want to deep fry. But they also give air fryer and oven instructions, so we can air fry.
These ones are oven or stovetop.
Stovetop is recommended. You don't cook chicken wings on the stovetop.
I don't know what those.
The oven is also an option.
And these ones have oven or air fryer.
This one has deep fryer oven. And I assume this one also will have deep fryer oven. This one doesn't say any. Oh, wait. Pan fry, deep fry, oven, or barbecue.
Okay, so we're just gonna cook them and then come
We'll
back
do some
and
in
taste
the
them?
air fryer, some in the oven, pretty much. Yeah.
All right, break.
Break.
Okay, field roast, King's, Gardein.
Yeah. And we're putting them in at 400, starting for 10 minutes, because they're all around that time, except for Gardein. Gardein's like 18 to 20, so we'll see.
Yeah. All right, and you go.
400, 12 to 15 minutes.
Okay. Better vegan, Wholly Veggie, Soul Cuisine.
I'm really excited about this plate, actually.
This looks like a good time.
Yeah. And there's a lot of variety in like cauliflower. These are like artisanal chicken.
Artisanal.
And the mass-produced chicken.
Yeah.
Should we brush these all with a bit of oil?
Sure.
Or just the one that specifies to deep fry?
Okay, well definitely that one, and then maybe if you're feeling generous.
Okay.
Okay, we are saucing up the oven wings. So Gardein, we just put the gochujang sauce on it. For the two King's ones, we're just using label-less hot
Frank's
sauce.
buffalo. I used it for photos, that's why.
And then this is the field roast ones, and they got their buffalo sauce on.
And then I'm gonna go back to the oven for a couple minutes just so the sauce, bakes on a little bit.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at it exploded.
Oh dear.
I've never seen a wing do that.
No.
These ones don't need to be dressed. The only ones that do are, these have a dip that came with it, and we'll dress those ones.
Yes.
Or just Frank's.
Yes. King's wings, King's drumsticks, Gardein, field roast, better vegan, Soul Cuisine, Wholly Veggie. Here we go.
And ranch.
Ranch.
We made a little ranch. All right.
Are we gonna do a thing where we go like worst to best?
Oh, what we think is going to be the worst. So we're trying those ones first.
You just get them over.
We're trying field roast first. And we'll give it its best chance because we're not comparing it to anything else yet.
Yes.
Field roast.
Oh, smell.
They lost their crunch.
Yeah. From the sauce?
Yeah. Okay. I've never tried these before, but I knew what was coming. It's their sausages.
If you can't tell from the shape, it's a slice of sausage.
Yeah. Like, it's not even close to chicken wings.
No, and if you read the ingredients, it's got like apple and sage, just like their sausage does.
I don't understand. Why would you do this?
Yeah.
Like, there's way better ways to use sausages.
And they're expensive. That's the other thing
Very
that gets me.
expensive, yeah. They're not good. The flavor's fine. They're not wings. They will not hit that chicken wing craving.
Don't buy them if you want chicken wings. Buy them if you want other stuff.
Yeah.
I'm kind of thinking Gardein.
All right, let's go with Gardein.
Now these don't have any breading.
Yeah.
They're
just chicken.
just looks like grilled chicken.
Tastes like grilled chicken.
Yeah.
They're really sad.
Yeah, it's pretty sad.
This is the thing though. Chicken wings I don't normally eat are breaded, like before going vegan. But they still have like a bite to them, like a tough skin type thing. This doesn't have that.
No.
I also think they're too flat.
Yeah. I don't really like the sauce.
Yeah. It's not spicy at all. I don't like these.
Yeah.
I think the product itself is fine. I wouldn't use them as chicken wings. I probably would use them as something else.
I was gonna say like in a stir fry or something.
Yeah, stir fry or even like a chicken Alfredo type thing. I think they'd be really good.
Buy it for like little pieces of grilled chicken.
Yeah.
But not for chicken wings.
Maybe make kebabs out of them.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe, yeah. Let's do cauliflower next.
Cauliflower.
This is the Wholly Veggie cauliflower.
The sauce looked kind of
It's
weird.
chunky. Okay. Here's a cauliflower wing. Which I have nothing against cauliflower wings.
I will say, these have a nice crunch to
They
the
do.
coating.
Mhm.
They cook very nicely.
They really do. I think if you're craving cauliflower wings and you don't want to make them, because cauliflower wings take effort to make, I think this is a really good option.
You get a lot in that box.
Yeah, it's almost like popcorn chicken though, more than a chicken wing.
Yeah, they're little.
But I think they're good.
You can kind of see in the picture, like that is what you get.
Yeah. But they are good. I like them a lot. It's a good cauliflower wing.
The sauce is good, even though it looked weird.
Yeah.
It just
It's a
had a
little
weird
sweet.
texture. A little sweet?
I find it.
I don't know.
This ranch
covered
is
it
so
in
nice.
ranch. Oh, so good.
Move this out of the way.
Sole?
Sure. Again, we've had sole before. This is their chicken one because they also have cauliflower.
Yes.
All right.
That's a good chicken.
Mine's very airy.
Oh, yeah.
It's good though. I actually do like it. Honestly, did we make it in the air fryer last time or the oven?
We did the oven because we were at my house.
Okay, I like it better in the air fryer.
It cooks way better in the air fryer.
It's less juicy.
yeah.
Yeah, it's like less moist, which
But not
I like
dry.
better.
Yeah, no, that cooked so well.
Yeah,
This is my favorite so far, easily.
easily, yeah. And the coating is nice, like it's crispy.
And good flavor.
Yeah.
I like these a lot.
Yeah, me too. This would satisfy your chicken wing craving.
Yes.
Let's do one of these.
Yeah.
We'll do the drums.
Okay.
Okay, this is the King's drumstick. We've had these before in I've never made them into wings. I've never bought these. I've had these at like festivals and stuff, but.
Yeah, I don't usually cover them in the sauce, but I like them.
It's nice. Okay. I'm actually surprised, but I actually think I like the Soul Cuisine better. In this, like, wing. Yeah.
I think so too. Like, these are good, but they also have, because they're a smoked drumstick, the smoky flavor kind of takes away from the chicken wing experience.
Yes. They have that, like, skin on the outside that's really nice. It's better vegan. I'm so excited about these.
Yeah.
These, to me, just look like chicken tenders, but I'm open. They look so good.
They cooked up so nicely.
Yeah. It doesn't necessarily taste like chicken, like flavor-wise, but it's good. I don't know what it's made out of.
It's good, but it's a chicken tender.
Yeah, it's not a wing. No.
So
It's a tender, for sure.
you're a little bit of an imposter, although so is the sausage.
Yeah, I would eat these as tenders. for
Great
sure.
tenders.
Or like chopped up in a Caesar salad.
Oh yeah, in a Caesar wrap.
Caesar wrap, yeah.
They're perfect.
Delish. It is getting spicy.
It's getting pretty spicy in here.
To be honest, I don't know if the Franks I used was Frank's or Frank's Buffalo.
What?
All right, ready for the flat?
I guess so.
This is the one that King's actually labels wings.
It's the same thing.
Same thing as the drum. But it is a better eating experience for a wing than the drum. But I still think Soul Cuisine's better.
It has less smoke,
Yeah.
smoky flavor, but about the same texture. Got the skin. But I could
It just doesn't feel like a wing.
yeah, like I think Soul Cuisine really hit the spot. This one I might try with like something else on it.
Okay, how would you rank these?
I think Soul Cuisine is number one.
I think so too. I will say, none of these compare to the mushroom wings that you can make at home. Soul Cuisine is the best. I think I'm gonna shock myself and
Do it.
say that I think I liked the cauliflower wings second best.
I mean, I get it.
Maybe it's because I like so conditioned that cauliflower wings are like a wing substitute, but like they just tasted really good.
Because even if they're not that much like chicken, they can still capture the wing experience.
Yes, I feel like really well.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I agree with that. I was really impressed with how well these cooked.
Yeah, I didn't think they were gonna be that good. No offense, Wholly Veggie. But I will say, Wholly Veggie, I've been having really good experiences with lately. Like, their mozzarella sticks
Yeah. I think they
are
got,
delicious.
yeah, they got good stuff.
Okay, so I would go Soul Cuisine, Wholly Veggie. I'm thinking just wing experience, not best product overall.
Yeah.
Because, like, I think Better Vegan is a really good product. I just don't think it's the chicken wing experience.
It might be one of the best chicken tenders.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I think the next I would go with the flat.
Yeah.
From King's. And then the Better Vegan.
And then the drumstick.
And then the drumstick. And then Gardein.
And then field roast. But really, like, there's a big gap there.
There's a big gap
in
between
that
a
list.
few of them.
Yeah.
I think if you want something that's like a wing experience at home that's easy to just toss in the oven or an air fryer, go with either Cuisine or Wholly Veggie.
Yeah.
I think that's the best two you could go with because honestly, I love that the Cuisine also has the sauce on it, like flavor.
Easy.
You don't have to do anything. You put it in the air fryer for like 10 minutes, you pop them out,
Beautiful.
and you have your dinner.
Delicious.
So, yeah.
When we cooked them in the oven, they were a little bit more moist, and so they were just softer.
I didn't like them as much.
Yeah. So
I remember distinctly saying I did not like them.
yeah,
But I like them a lot now.
juicy.
Yeah.
But they get perfectly crispy in the air fryer.
Yes. So good.
Okay. In the comments,
Mm-hmm.
let us know your favorite chicken wings. I'm sure in the States you have other options. Share those as well.
Yeah, I will say, even just eating this, we are so far off on like a true chicken wing experience. Like,
Yeah.
so Cuisine was good, but like it's nowhere
It's not,
near
yeah.
the chicken wing experience.
Yeah.
So we have a long way to go, but I think there's some great options. But yeah, let us know in the States what other options you have, what your go-tos are, if you've tried any of these.
Yeah, what should we taste test next?
Yeah.
That we can find lots of.
Yeah, let us know.
And yeah, that's all.
That's all, folks.
That's all we have today.
I
I want to eat more, but it's spicy.
Yeah. We're also going to check this stuff out.
It's spicy!